So anyway, the Dogecoin question. There was one moment in the show where he said that Dogecoin was a hustle. As a joke! Or maybe not, because it is a joke, and it's a joke on top of a joke, and it's levels of 4D jokes. So, you know what I mean? It's already a meme currency.
Sure, yeah.
So I feel like you can joke about it all you want. Right. Shouldn't matter. But that makes people nervous when they got their life savings or any portion of their life savings in something. They're like, stop joking about that.
Yeah, don't ruin this for me.
I've been bragging about this to all my friends for the last 3 months. Yeah. This is not a joke. So it's like, there's like the public facing stuff of to the moon. And then there's in the background, there's like the nails on the, on the table, like to the moon. I thought you were going to the moon.
Yeah, it got very serious very quickly.
So anyway, he said it was just funny stuff going on, but I guess it kind of, did it really tumble, Doge? I mean, it definitely fell, but it's still at like 60 cents, is it not? You want to give us an update? I guess people just had really huge expectations that he goes on the show and then, okay, it fell a lot. Down to 45 cents. It's over.
Yeah, but this is what you said in the beginning where you're just like, who's the bigger, like is Elon going on SNL or is SNL having Elon on kind of thing? Like who's bringing the audience? If this is going to fall, this kind of just proves to me that SNL brought Elon on. Like clearly him having him on the show affected the stock there.
Oh,
and
yeah.
To me, Elon is Doge.
Okay, so I think what happened here is that, smart people that wanted to make money short term had targeted the SNL event as the peak. Like no matter what,
right.
This is peak Doge for now. Could there be another one? Sure. But there was so much expectation that those that had gotten in, maybe not at the very beginning, but those who had gotten in recently, who wanted to turn their money around and get something out of it, they easily could have looked at that moment and said, okay, this is going to be our peak price. Maybe even before he goes on SNL, like the day before or something like this. But you can probably map it, and Will's working the charts over here. I don't know what he's up to, but things are moving around. But you probably could time it that a lot of people at that moment said, okay, I'm out now. Yeah. That was my threshold, or I'm going to take my gains right now. But of course, as you know, whether it is the stock market or crypto,
you never really know.
You never know. We're not going to know for certain. But what we do know for sure is that when people start bailing, more people start bailing.
Sure, yeah.
This is
the snowball effect.
The hype train goes 2 directions,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the crowd will follow.
Yeah, apparently Robinhood had a problem too during the trading on Saturday. Apparently a lot of people were having error messages.
Binance too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a tactic? You think it was, or is it just too much trading?
Yeah, they
slow down selling it.
They come out and always say it's a volume thing, and I'm sure you can look at the volume numbers. They're probably out of control. But where they had a volume over there, volume.
I think it was.
Why you got it? Where is it, Will? I'm used to Coinbase. You can always bring me to Coin Market Cap,
okay,
and then I die. They showed a 24-hour volume over here. And then we can get a sense for just...
Even Shiba.
What the hell is that? Is that a new Doge?
Yeah, it popped off
a new Doge.
Saturday.
Ethereum's still healthy, right?
Mm-hmm.
You sure, Will? That's what matters to me.
Yes.
To the moon, Will. Don't joke about that one. That's a real crypto. You can only joke about joke cryptos, not real cryptos.
Yeah.
Because blockchain, because NFTs, because things are built on it, Will.
Mm-hmm.
Don't joke about my Ethereum.
No, it's doing well.
Yeah, okay, so here we go. Where's our volume 24 hours? $21 billion Canadian in the last 24 hours. But he was on Saturday, so let's just see the week. Switch to the week. It won't show us the weekly volume. Anyway, it's tons of volume in Dogecoin moving around.
Crazy.
many billions of real dollars. Actually, I thought that their piece on crypto was kind of funny, kind of fun and
Yeah,
funny.
it was short, simple.
I was all about it.